Honey, often referred to as liquid gold, has been revered for its natural sweetness and medicinal properties for thousands of years. Beyond being a delectable alternative to refined sugar, honey offers a plethora of health benefits when consumed in moderation. In this comprehensive video, we will delve into 7 top health benefits of incorporating just 1 teaspoon of honey into your daily routine. 1. Rich in antioxidants, honey is a veritable powerhouse of antioxidants, containing compounds such as flavonoids and polyphenols. These antioxidants help protect your body against harmful free radicals. These rogue molecules can cause oxidative stress, leading to chronic diseases such as cancer and heart disease. Regular consumption of honey can significantly bolster your body's defense system, reducing the risk of oxidative damage and associated health issues. 2. Supports digestive health. Honey has been known for its digestive benefits for centuries. A teaspoon of honey can provide soothing relief for your digestive system. It has the capacity to alleviate digestive discomfort, reduce inflammation in the gut, and promote the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. Additionally, its antimicrobial properties can help combat stomach infections, making it a natural remedy for various digestive issues. 3. Natural energy boost. Are you in need of a quick energy pick-me-up? Look no further than honey. Its natural sugars, primarily glucose and fructose, offer a rapid and sustainable energy source without causing the energy crashes often associated with processed sugars. Athletes and those seeking a natural, sustained energy source can benefit greatly from incorporating honey into their diets. 4. Immune system support. Honey boasts natural antibacterial and antiviral properties that can significantly contribute to the strengthening of your immune system. Regular consumption of honey can make your immune system more resilient against infections and illnesses. The antioxidants present in honey also play a crucial role in bolstering your body's defense mechanisms against a wide range of threats. 5. Cough and cold remedy. Honey has long been a trusted remedy for soothing sore throats and relieving persistent coughs. Its natural properties help reduce irritation in the throat, making it easier to breathe and sleep during a cold or respiratory infection. The thick, sticky consistency of honey forms a protective coating in the throat, calming irritation and effectively reducing the urge to cough. 6. Skin benefits. Honey is not just a superstar in the world of nutrition, it can also work wonders for your skin. Its natural antibacterial properties make it an excellent choice for treating minor cuts, burns, and acne. Applying honey topically can help cleanse wounds, reduce inflammation, and promote faster healing. Its natural humectant properties also make it an effective moisturizer, leaving your skin soft and supple. 7. Better sleep. Struggling with insomnia or restless nights? A teaspoon of honey before bedtime can work wonders. Honey promotes the release of serotonin, a neurotransmitter that regulates mood and sleep. Additionally, it provides a steady supply of glucose to the brain during the night, preventing disturbances in sleep patterns and promoting a more restful night's sleep. While honey is undoubtedly a natural and delightful sweetener, its health benefits extend far beyond its sweet taste. By incorporating just 1 teaspoon of honey into your daily routine, you can enjoy a wide range of advantages, including improved digestion, enhanced immunity, and better overall well-being. However, it is crucial to consume honey in moderation, as excessive intake can contribute to weight gain and other health issues. So, savor the sweetness of honey responsibly and reap the numerous rewards it has to offer for your health and well-being.